guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to share the new papers from our paper pad club for August, and the papers go very well with our stamp of the month. So our stamp of the month is this cute picnic cows. You can pick that up over at the Not Too Shabby shop in the section subscriptions. You'll see both subscriptions there. There is an option to get the die with this cute little stamp. We're going to make a card today using these items. So I'm going to flip through the papers really quickly for you. So this one here is called Pink Roses, and the color palette is like a green, pink, and red, which is really, really pretty. So we've got this really nice green background with leaves and roses. Then we've got a green background with white polka dots. We've got this pink background with white little squigglies, and then the same pattern but smaller and with roses on top. And then we've got that very tiny green and white polka dot background with the roses on top. So we've got a white background with green polka dots, and then a white background with red polka dots and roses. This really nice gingham plaid. And then a little, looks like sprinkles to me, in kind of like a beige color and red. And then we've got a really nice, pretty background. And another sheet, well, this one has white with the roses and leaves. And then there's that sprinkled background with green. They do start repeating. So you get 4 of each design. And now we've got Just Grilling, perfect for some summer cards. Here's a nice brown background with the flowers. There's some cutouts in here, so you can cut those out with your scissors, or you can cut them out in your Brother Scan and Cut or electric cutter. This reminds me of a picnic tablecloth. And then we've got some circles with some barbecue items like a grill, ketchup and mustard inside those little circles. And this little pattern here is made up of a barbecue grill. Nice background with all the fixins there. And then a nice plaid or a nice gingham in blue. And then there's that floral print in blue. And then we've got like a tone-on-tone red polka dot pattern. And here's another sheet of cutouts. So you'll get 2 different ones, and you'll get 2 of each. Here's a cute background with all the barbecue tools. Some stars, some zigzags, some more tools, and then a pitchfork with some hot dogs on it. Really nice patterns. There's some plaid, a sheet of stars, and a sheet of ketchup and mustard. This paper pad would actually make great Father's Day cards for next year. So this is another cutout sheet. We've got some watermelons. Really cute patterns. So great paper pad. So we're going to make a card using the picnic cows. I've already colored some of my cows up. So I colored this guy with the potato chips, and this guy with the hot dog and mustard. I cut out my sentiments here. You're so moveless. Life's a picnic with you. What's cooking? And well done. So I have the other images stamped out and ready to color. But today we're going to make 2 cards using these 2. So we're going to use the Just Grilling paper pad, and I'm going to pick out some patterns that I want to use with my images. So I think I want to use the blue. I want to use this one because I colored those chips blue. And I'll probably use the back side as well because I like these little flowers. They kind of match everything that all the colors that I used. So we'll use those 2 patterns, and then we'll bring in something else. Maybe, let's see, maybe for this one we can use some of the mustard Maybe make a little strip of the ketchup and mustard. And I kind of like these stars. The back is nice too, so let's pull out the stars and then go from there. I've got all my panels cut out. I just used dies to cut out all these pieces, and I'm just going to arrange them. I am doing something a little bit different. I took the coordinating die from the stamp set and I cut out shadows. So I just ran it through with black cardstock, and then I'm going to do a little drop shadow behind the image to help break up some of the pattern. So I'm just going to add some glue behind here, and then we'll offset it. So I want my shadow to go on the right side. So it's going to look something like that, and I'm going to do the same with the sentiment. So I'm going to glue these two panels up here like this. I did add some extra cardstock on the back of this one, just so this could be an even surface. I'm going to make sure these two are kind of the same space here. And I'm going to have the sentiment going across his belly here, down towards the bottom. So I'm going to pop that cow up, so I'll have to pop up my sentiment as well. I just put a little foam tape on the back. And then I'm going to put a little glue right here. Okay, and then we'll do some finishing embellishments at the end. We're going to add this strip right here. Now these measurements, you can make this card and use any measurements you want. I didn't measure anything, so I just used some dies in different sizes. And then this one I just cut down to measure the same length as that panel there. And then you can make it any width you want. And this one is a square die with stitching. And I'm just going to center that. So let me talk about the Paper Pad Club. If you're not familiar, you can purchase it as a one-time purchase. It always comes with 2 paper pads. You can join the club. When you join the club, you save 18% off. And to join the club, there'll be a drop-down menu. You'll choose monthly for your frequency, and then you'll see the 18% come off the total of your paper pads. And then you will get your new paper pads every 30 days. So there'll be a new shipment every 30 days until you cancel. And if you don't know Teresa, who is Fresh and Renewed with Teresa on YouTube, she is the former owner of Scrapping for Less. She is now designing paper pads for Not Too Shabby. And when I say designing, I don't mean she's designing the artwork. She's designing the paper pads. So I put foam tape on the back of this guy as well, and also on the sentiment. I'm going to position him kind of towards the corner here. Make sure that he's sitting straight. And then we're going to have the well done up at the top. Okay, so there's the layout. Really cute. And I think I want to put some glossy accents on some of the parts. So I have the Nuvo Crystal Glaze. So I'm going to make his little nostrils shiny. And I'm going to do this one as well. And I'm going to do the mustard. I'm going to do the tomato. Okay, so that'll do it. So I think they turned out super cute. So really cute. I think I will do the next paper pad in a separate video. So I'll be working with the pink roses. So if you like these paper pads and you want to join the club, head on over to the shop. The link will be in the description box for you. Don't forget to choose monthly if you want to join the club to save 18% off. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.